Are you ready? Yeah, Captain. Okay, let's do some series, Taylor series again. And my series is the one active because I said his series. Oh, it went active again. Oh, correct. Anyways, all right. We should first start off with a table chart because why not, right? Here's the N. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 4. First one's gonna be 0, 1, 2, 3. And then here it's gonna be derivative. Okay. So the first one, since it's zeroed, it's just same O derivative. But instead of putting that, let's simplify this one. So it's that one becomes 1 plus x to the power negative 1. I think. Yep, it is. Okay. Oh, what the hell? What the hell, Yante? All right, so it is 1. What the 1 plus x to the power negative 1. So the next one, so this is a zero derivative, first derivative, second derivative, third derivative, you know what I mean? Okay, so the next one is gonna be, you bring the derivative down, it's gonna be negative 1 plus x negative 2. All right, next one is gonna be positive 2 because you bring the negative 2 times negative 1, that's 2, of course. Come on. So 1 plus x to the power negative 3. The third one's gonna be negative 6, 1 plus x, negative 4. Are you guys tracking? Okay, I'm pretty sure you guys know what I'm doing. Anyways, here, what do we put? We put the x, okay, so since it's centered, it did centered in 2, so x equals 2. So now we plot in 1 plus 2, negative 1. That's 3, negative 1 doesn't negative 3. Oh, nope, it is not 3 plus negative 1, that's 1/3. And then same thing here, negative 1, 1 plus x, negative 2, so that's 1, 9. Alright, I'm just gonna speed run this, okay? So net 1/3. 1/9, 2/27. I'm just circling it because why not? The next one is negative 2/27 for the third derivative. Now let's do a fourth one actually. There must be a fourth one. And it's gonna be 24, positive 24x. No. 1 plus x to the power negative 5, which is, according to my calculation, that's 8/81. All right. So these are the answers. These are the answers when you plot in x equal 2. Okay, remember that, guys or girls. I'm not judging. Anyways, now we're gonna do Taylor formation. Taylor formula. Taylor formula. All right. If you guys don't know the Taylor formula, it's right here. So this is the Taylor series over here. This is the Maclaurin series, is the bottom one. All right. So now we do Taylor series. So we are going to plot it in. All right. If you guys don't remember what it is, was 1 plus x equals, let's see, f2 equals 0, approximation point, plus f2 1, and then x minus 2. Are you guys lost? Okay, if you guys are lost, okay, so let me see, I'll explain it carefully, okay? The 2 here, 1 plus x equals 0, approximation point plus f2 1, and then x minus 2. Are you guys lost? Okay, if you guys are lost, okay, so let me see, I'll explain it carefully, okay? The 2 here, 1 plus x equals 0, approximation point plus f2 1, and then x minus 2. comes from x equals 2. All right. Now the 0 here comes from 0 over here. Okay. Now you guys tracking. So we're just going down, down at the same time. Pretty easy. All right. You guys will see the pattern after this. Okay. So let's do this. So the reason why I put x minus 2 is because when you go back up here, as you guys can see from here, it says, so it starts with fa, which is just 0 basically, but I put the whole formula in, and here see x minus a, and a is 2. So now we're going from that. So now, since everything is positive except number 3, the third derivative, remember that. Okay, so plus, let me change color so you guys can see, plus f(1, 2, 2 x minus 2), I think it was, yeah, powered by 1. So here's 1, here's 2. Okay, now plus f 1, 2, 3, 2 over 3, all right, x minus 2 to the power of 3, all right, and it goes on. Okay, it goes on. Now let's go to the real action. Okay, so all right. The first one is 1/3, so which is equals 1/3 minus 1/9 x minus 2 plus 2/27 over 2 x minus 2 squared plus negative 2/27 6 x minus 2 third, and so on. Do you understand how I get this? Okay, I will explain briefly. Okay, so let's say this one over here. Let's look at this one over here. Let's look at this one. Okay, let's look at this one. So the reason why I got 2/27 is because here, remember, after the second derivative is 2/27. Yeah, so you just plot in with f prime, second prime, x, second derivative over 2, and then since 2 is 2 times 1, 2 parentheses just becomes 2 times 1, and since the x to the power of 2 here, we basically went get one of the stuff away, but you shouldn't worry about that. Anyways, that's what it is. Okay, and then we're gonna simplify this. We're gonna simplify this. So it's gonna be 1/3 minus 1/9 x minus 2 plus here is 1/27 x minus 2 minus here is 181 x minus 2. Let's see, move this thing 3 power 3. All right. So these are the four terms. These are the 4 terms of non-zeros. So 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, 4 here. Now that's the answer. Okay, but if your teacher wants you to find the this, right, she may or may not, he or she, may or may not want you to find this, but if they do, the answer is -1 and x minus 2 n 3n plus 1. Okay. So that's the answer. So here's the answer, and here's the answer. So both of them is correct. Here's a simplified one, and here's the advanced one. Anyways, I will give you guys a question for you to do yourself, and let me know what the answer is in the comment. All right, daddies. I know it is f(x) ln x. Okay. Center at a equals 1. Okay, so a equals 1 and f(x) ln x. Okay, now we're using the tailored series. So let me know in the comment. Peace.